Guess what's inside? Wyoming nephrite jade. While nephrite doesn't match the variety or the fine green colors found in jadeite, it's even more durable as a gem material for jewelry and carved objects. Nephrite is one of the two distinct minerals commonly known as jade. Nephrite was first discovered and identified in Wyoming by Bert and Verla Rhodes in the late 1930s along the north slope of the Crook Mountains close to Jeffrey City. Nephrite jade is known as the Dream Stone and assists in dream recall, analysis, and dream connection to ancient wisdom.